Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV47. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV47 smells like burning when you switch it on, it's a sign that the motor is overheating or failing. This burning smell often indicates that the motor is straining, possibly due to blockages or wear. If not addressed promptly, it can lead to further damage, resulting in a more costly repair or even the need for a new vacuum. To carry out this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement motor compatible with your Dyson SV47, and some safety gloves. Begin by ensuring your Dyson is unplugged. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the back of the device. Be careful when lifting the casing, there may be clips that require gentle pressure to release. Once the casing is off, locate the motor, which is usually near the bottom of the vacuum. Inspect it for any signs of damage or burning. To remove the motor, disconnect any wires carefully. Take note of where each wire connects for reassembly later. Remove the screws holding the motor in place, applying a steady force. If you feel resistance, double-check for any hidden screws. Once the motor is free, replace it with the new one, ensuring all connections are secure. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After securing the new motor, reattach the casing by aligning the clips and screws. Tighten everything back into place and ensure that no wires are pinched or exposed. Plug in your Dyson and test it to make sure it's working properly. If there are still issues or if the burning smell persists, it's best to consult a professional. To prevent this problem from occurring again, make sure to regularly clean the filters and check for blockages in the hose and brush. Regular maintenance can extend the life of your Dyson and keep it running efficiently. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.